Admit it. You've heard the siren call to buy cheap connectors, and then you found yourself on the rocks. I've bought these off eBay, and they're the little barrel that spins. And these are a crappy connector. These are horrible. I mean, it's hard to get any kind of connection out of them. And these are some stinking metal that's plated. EEVblog, Dave Jones, did a video number 1052 on these connectors, which were supposedly gold plated, and he had problems with them. But there's a fix. What you can do is take a grinding wheel and notch through this outside spring metal section, and make just a little notch in there, and then you can solder. Now what you have to do is you have to find the seam section, because if you cut it anywhere else you'll weaken it. But they solder pretty well. Remove the plastic before you solder, because that'll surely melt. And it's a little hard to see, but you'll see this little break in the metal there. So if you don't cut it there, it dramatically weakens the spring. So just do that. Now, a lot of you have Dremel tools. I've thrown mine away. You know, I just use a Harbor Freight $10 right angle grinder, and get these little thin cutoff wheels, and these do a great little job. Just touch them, you know, because you're going to have to hold it, and you don't want to be careful with your fingers and stuff. When you do any grinding, sure wear a mask, safety glasses. One of the nice things you can do with these cutoff wheels is a lot of electronics is sort of modularized, and you can cut out little sections. This makes a nice little breadboard for doing something. I have a couple of FETs from a UPS. I have modules just like this that run my water heaters at the camp. But getting back to these connectors and cutting fiberglass, you know, it makes a hell of a mess. Really, wear the mask. You know, if you don't care about your health, care about the equipment. Metal particles and glass dust are really nasty. And try and do it outside, because it really is messy. Any kind of grinding is nasty. But these connectors, once you do them, it's a really good solid connection. And these feel better than most of the banana connectors I have. And I'm buying more. So never fear. I hope you found this interesting. Thanks for watching.